So Thomas is trying to take the collector box off at the bottom.
Oh, do you know what that is? See at the top, there's another bolt.
The other two?
No, it's like the nut holding on nut. You know what I mean? Like the squish my face. The wee square bit.
Ah, yeah, I see. You reckon I can put on this side? It's turning? Yeah. Right. That's it.
Oh, that's turned.
When are you heading up to
Oh, that's
Mum?
it. Oh, yes. Oh, that's it.
Oh, right, I can Mum on
Are you
that
still
side.
filming?
Yeah. I'm not to stop it now.
What?
I'm not to stop it now.
No.
Because I've really stupid.
No. It's just she's really nice. She starts talking about stuff and I'm waiting for her to get over it.
That's it. It's on to the camera.
Oh no,
That stays on.
oh yes.
So there's the tool. The screw for the collector box.
And here's the mighty tool that done it.
Oh yeah. This isn't focusing.
The extreme. Can you see that? Don't see
No, it's focused on the bike. So like the further, go back a bit more. But you're probably better just showing it the bike.
it? Is it on manual focus or autofocus?
It's on auto, but it's not doing it. On video, if you see what I mean. Yeah, even when you press the button, it doesn't. No, it doesn't focus.
Oh well. Well, anyway, people, you get the point. Here's the tool. There's a stupid bloody bolt that wouldn't come off. Now we need to try for the second one. Do you want to try for the second one?
Oh shit, the battery's flashing.
Here, do it quick. Try for the second one.
Where's
If I
that?
need to, I can attach my camera to it and just use.
This one here.
Right, next bolt we need to take off is this one. So you get the easy deal. Hold it up because turn left and then to be off.
You ready?
No, I wasn't watching, that was on that one.
3, 2, 1.
Oh no, that's a message, that's fine. Right. 3, 2, 1, you grab this one. This way. Just grab it. It's moving.
Moving, but it's not coming out, I don't think.
Did it say we could spray WD on it? We got instructions.
They're in the box.
Just a quick reference to instructions here, please. No, it says just pull it.
Alright, just keep pulling it and I'll tell you if it's moving. Yeah, it's coming, yeah, slowly but surely.
You're going to give me a hand then because I don't want to smash it. I'm wanting to keep this just in case I need it.
Looks like it's moving now. Look, if you want to look and I'll do it. Yeah, you can see it like the
It's
bottom.
still in line.
So it moves at the top.
We're moving the bike.
Right, there must be.
Idea, buddy? Yeah, you can see it moving. It's like it wants to, but it's not.
So here's the exhaust. Quite heavy, quite a massive
Go down a bit.
improvement. So basically, how would it sit? Like that? Yeah.
Let's go down.
So it'll go like that, and then screw in here to the passenger footrest.
We found out why it wasn't coming off is there's... Oh, we already done that, didn't we?
No.
Mystery bolt.
No.
I don't know. Where's this? It's not listed on the instructions, but there's one bolt on the other side you have to undo to make it loose enough, and then square it with some WD-40 and you're done. We're back going to start the next bit. Right, as you can see, bolt is on. We just need to tighten up all the bolts down. So we have one quick go over the instructions just to make sure nothing's been missed. Polish and put the strap on. Laying the silencer in the correct position, that's done. Right, tighten this one first, it says. Just tightening up the bolt. That's that one, and then we need to do the bottom one. Oh, hang on. Tighten the clamp between the set. Yep, you're right. Do that one first. No, it's just here, so that
It's not moved, has it?
no, it's it.
And the last one?
And tighten the clamp in the collector box. And then that's it. That's the last one.
Almost there.
exhaust is on, as you can see, and right. Should we go for the start?
Let's do it.
Go for the start.
Do the baffle after as well.
Yeah. Start out with baffle. With the baffle now, and then we'll start out without after.